Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can make a 3-layer breathable fabric masks. As you know, as advised by authorities, whenever you go to any crowded area, please use only the surgical mask because the fabric mask have a limitation to protection and it is very difficult to protect against very tiny particles of virus. So whenever you're going to any less populated or normal areas, it is okay, you can use the fabric mask. It is easier because you can wash it and reuse. But when you're going to very crowded areas, please use only the surgical masks. Now this particular fabric mask will have 3 layers of fabric. Whenever you choose this, you have to be careful about the type of fabric you are using. As advised by authorities, the outer layer should be a non-absorbent material, that is something like a polyester material. Okay. The inner layer you can use any absorbent, that is your cotton, preferably cotton. 100% cotton is the best absorbent material. And the middle layer, that should be a non-woven material like a polypropylene or something. It is very difficult to get these easily, so you can use any lining material that is not purely cotton. Those kind of materials you can use for your middle layer. Okay, so here I've taken the fabric of approximately size 28 by 18 centimeters. Now this will differ for different people. Whenever you try a mask, this is an average size for any adult, but when you make a mask and you try it, you will get an idea of the measurements, and then you can adjust the measurements accordingly to your face size. Along with this, you will require 2 pieces of elastic. It is easily available in rolls, or you can use your old bunion material to make elastic from that I will show later in this video. You have 3 different materials and elastic, and we are ready to start. Another thing that you have to note is that if you refer YouTube videos or other models, you will see many models that are available, and each model will have a different measurement. So whenever you're going to start trying your fabric mask, choose any particular model and choose the measurements accordingly. Try it on very old clothes so that you can find the model that is best fitting for you, and accordingly do it on a fair fabric. Okay, to start with, let us arrange the fabrics one on top of the other, such that just take care that all the wrong sides are outside and your fair side are inside. And you should also notice to keep your outer layer and your inner layer adjacent. Otherwise, when you turn this around, the sides will change. So always your outer layer and your inner layer, not the middle layer, inner layer should be adjacent. So just place this one on top of the other, just to take care of the sides. Okay, so we keep all these together. Now fold it in the center. Okay, make marking such that it is 4 centimeter this side and around 5 centimeter on top. The same way it will be 5 centimeter here and 4 centimeter here. This is my 5 centimeter mark. This is my 4 centimeter mark. This is my 5 centimeter mark. This is my 4 centimeter mark. And just join these 2 markings and cut along these lines. This is not clear, we just make it once more. Marking is not clear in the video. Okay, these 2 lines cut. So here it is. You get your octagon shape, 8 sides, octagon shape. Now what you have to do, you have to stitch around like this. This end, this end, this end. Leave this side. From here you start again this, here, there it goes. So that means you're leaving these 2 parts free so that you can turn this around. Okay, so give a stitching like this on the top and the bottom. See, I've left these 2 sides free and I've stitched around 1 centimeter trim you can just leave 1 centimeter. And for those who are not expert in this thing like me with the sewing machines, it is better you stitch here, then you start again from here. Those who are expert with your machines, you can just hold it here and turn your cloth and do this. Now this is because you need to get the exact corner point, so that when you turn around, it comes in a perfect shape. Now we will just turn this around to the other side. Now just be careful that when you turn around, whichever side you want the inner side, it should be inside. Okay, you should join with this. Like if you turn it like this, this will be your outer, this will be your inner. If you just join this together, this will be your outer side and this will be your inner side. So just take care when you turn around, however you need it. So I'm just gonna turn it. Put all the stitches together, bring out all the stitches. With a pencil or something, you just put it inside so you get the correct point. Just bring out your corner outside like this. First time when you do, it is not necessary that you get it this way. Even me, after doing it many times, I'm still stuck in some points. Anyway, it should come something like this. Okay, now what you do is you take these sides, just fold a bit inside, just maybe 1 or 2 mm inside your the cloths. Just stitch the sides. Okay, so just to give a finish like this, just stitch the side, both the sides. Okay, just trim both the sides like this, just trimmed it. Like this. Okay. This is what I told you now, when the corners, if you don't get it correct, sometimes you see here, see the difference, it happens. Okay, now what you do is your inner side, at this point you fold it inside. Same way at this point you fold it inside. Okay, that is these 2 points you are taking it inside, and these 2 corners you are taking it inside. Now we have to stitch this side and this side. Okay, so you get something like this. What you have to do is these ends, right, you have to just bring it straight to the, see, like this. Okay, and this corner also bring it straight, like what do you say, more or less a perpendicular kind. Okay, same way you have to do for all the 4 sides. Stitch it here, stitch it here, same way you stitch it here also. Okay, okay, so ideally this should come in a straight line. Okay, all these 4 points, see, so you'll get the opening like this. Okay, now our next step is to put our, what do you say, elastic bands. For this you can either keep it like this and turn this here, give it a stitch, tie these 2 ends and bring it inside, or you can first finish your stitching here, then using a needle or safety pin bring it inside like this. Now in the beginning I told you, instead of this tie you can also use your old t-shirt. For example, see, this is an old t-shirt, cut around say in 1 centimeter width like this. This is because t-shirt material or bunion materials are very elastic. Get it? Or just put it like this. Just stretch it like this. See? It has such a long twine now. And this is elastic. So it is easier for you to use it as a twine. Okay. So here first I am going to join stitch in these two ends like this. Okay. Okay, so both sides are done. As I told you before, either you can just stitch your twines like this, or you can take it inside. Just tie it here. Just put it inside. If you don't want the knot to be seen outside, otherwise it's okay. Same way, we'll do it here also. Okay, both sides done. This is how you open it. This will correctly fit on your nose and your chin. And it is perfectly breathable. You can fold it and keep it safe. So easy.